Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 3D zoom effect in Capcut in any iPhone and iPad in iOS 14 to above. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, launch App Store and download Capcut. I already downloaded this software, so tap to open. If you have any trouble to download or get Capcut, then change country or region from App Store and try to download. If it doesn't work, then connect any VPN that you have. If you don't have VPN, download from the App Store Turbo VPN, XVPN, both are free. Connect the VPN and try to download the Capcut. Now move to the main topic of the video. 3D zoom effect. Tap on plus new project, tap on photo and select any of them. Tap add. Now select the photo. After selecting the photo, here you can see the style button. Tap on style. Right now I'm using iPhone 6s. Now move and select 3D zoom. It's generating. The generating time sometime is quickly and sometimes take time, and also depend on your iPhone speed as well. No internet connection. No issue. Let me check. Let me check the internet connection. That is working fine. Launch Safari to check the internet connection. Internet's working fine. We'll try again. Select the photo, 3D effect. Now it's generating. Now tap play. You have a 3D effect in your iPhone 6s with Capcut. There are many more effects that you can choose here. If you want to add text, stickers, you can do everything. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.